Today is February 10th, 2012. This is Len Tonis from Tonis North Plumbing and Heating. We've got an installation of a brand new Weil McLean GV90 Plus 5-section boiler. See, it's 91.4% efficient on the energy guide. Very nice boiler. The only modification that they did to it was they put this external heat exchanger on to give it about another 4.5 to 5% of efficiency. It's actually running right now. The burner is running, and you may or may not be able to hear it because it's so quiet. It's got a PVC exhaust and intake. Runs up to the ceiling, across the back of the house and right out the side. Terminates on the exterior of the house with a nice vent kit. You see the piping on this one is pretty elaborate. 2 Grundfos 3-speed circulator pumps, so you can adjust the speed to match the load. Very nice pumps. Isolation flanges. On the top is the Taco zone valve control to control the zone valves. On the bottom is the Taco switching relay, which will both control multiple zone valves and or pumps. Right now there's only 2 zones operating on zone valves. One is split. The zone to the right is split. And we have 2 extra zones piped in with caps on them for future zones when the second floor will be finished off. We have 1 more zone for the Amtrol boiler mate, which runs off the boiler. And this nice little red pump over here is also a Grundfos pump. It's got a timer built into it. This is a hot water recirculation pump because the bathroom, the master bath, is about 50 feet away, and it takes a couple minutes to get the hot water there. So now it takes about 2 seconds when you turn on the faucet. You can see the old boiler, oil fired. The new one is natural gas. We haven't had a chance to get the old one out yet, but that's what you had for an oil fired boiler. Quite inefficient, and oil was very expensive. So we gas piped the house, had the gas company set a meter, and it's up and running. Should save quite a bit of money.